We recently opened up our exhibit that details the 35th Ohio Volunteer Infantry, which is a Civil War unit that was mustered here in Hamilton in 1861. They did 3 years of service, and the exhibit is going to be open September 7th, and it will close at the end of the year. What's unique about this exhibit is that it contains a lot of artifacts and documentation from local individuals. We have representatives from almost every township. So there's a lot of unique and rare artifacts. We have what we call the second national colors of the 35th OVI. It was donated to the unit from the Ladies of Lebanon sometime in either December of 1863 or January of 1864. Their original national colors was retired after the Battle of Missionary Ridge. It was just too damaged to continue. So they got a new flag, and we received that flag sometime in the early to mid-1950s as a donation from General Vanderveer's grandsons. And in 2020, we had the flag sent away for conservation to Cleveland. And it took about 3 years, and we got it back earlier this year, and it is definitely the highlight of the exhibit. It's now on display permanently in our lobby. So we're open Tuesdays through Fridays from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. and we're open Saturdays from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. We're located at 327 North 2nd Street in Hamilton, Ohio, in the old Benninghofen family home that we have as our museum here at the Historical Society. So if you're interested in Civil War or just want to come out and see an 1863 era home, done up very nicely in the late Victorian time period, come out and see us.